using the law of attraction to attract a text from someone, applying scripting and visualization. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today in Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been created exclusively for you to assist you in navigating any relationship issue. So law of attraction is not concerned with what you want, but how you feel. And in order for us to really be able to feel something, we might need to experience it because we don't know how it would feel. So how about if I told you that right this very second or a few minutes later, you're going to be able to actually experience the feeling of receiving a text from your ex? Really, the feeling that accompanies receiving a text from your ex. I can already hear you. Abby, what are you talking about? How is my ex going to call me right now or text me or do any of this stuff? Let's do an exercise. So what I'd like for you to do is, obviously, we all have our phones. Many of us are even listening to this through our phones. What I recommend is you save your number under the name of your ex. Okay? Then you type out the exact message you want to receive from them. Abby, I miss you so much. You're the most amazing woman in this entire world. I love you so much. I have not been able to eat, sleep, or whatever for whatever long time. Please come and let's get married and live happily ever after. Whatever it is, you can take it from whatever to whatever extreme you want. You're the author of that text. Just go ahead and write it. When all of a sudden you send that text to yourself, you will see their name coming up. It pops up. There it is. Internalize that joy of seeing their name on your screen. Just internalize it. Oh my God, he's texting me. She didn't block me. She's texting me. You need to internalize it. You need to visualize it as if it is there. You need to feel how they might have felt when they were sending the message. You know, this is a moment that these are exercises that we can do for ourselves, obviously, just to create that feeling. And I mention in most of my videos, if not all of them, when it refers to the law of attraction, in order to be able to emit to the universe exactly the feeling that we're looking for. So once we are able to really, sense that text message, we see their name on our screen, we read the message, we visualize it as if it's them sending it to us. You are able to sense this happiness, this sense of satisfaction. This message not only lights up your phone, it lights up the universe because you are at that moment, in the moment, feeling the joys of receiving that text. So when we are able to do that, the universe is already able to mirror that. And they will mirror that with another text. And that will provide the same type of enthusiasm. And we're looking to, this time, have it come from the actual source. But what we are to do is we're supposedly to thank also the universe for this experience. So when I've practiced this with my clients and they've seen it and it's like, but Abby, really, it's a text. I said, just stop, pause, read it to yourself. Even if you know deep down in heart, don't think too much into it, that you wrote it. Just play with it, enjoy it, have fun with it. See their name right there, splashed on your screen. They're professing their love. They're doing whatever it is that you are so wanting to hear from them. It's happening for you. I'm going to share a really interesting little story with this. So I have someone that I know that one morning wakes up and he's a writer And he wrote this particular situation in one of his books. And it was basically titled, "I Know How It Feels to Win the Lottery." Yet he never won the lottery, but he knows how it feels to win the lottery. It so happens that the morning that he was checking his tickets, his wife had reached out and gone to where they sell lottery tickets and had those particular numbers that she knew had come out the night before and put it in his stacks of tickets. So when he was reviewing his tickets, he gets to that ticket and lo and behold, there they are, the 6 numbers. And he starts screaming with happiness, "Oh my God, we won the lottery." Now, to make a long story short, no one in this world can debate the fact that he did not win the lottery. He knows the feeling 100% that winning the lottery does. Yes, he did not win the lottery in essence, but he knows the feeling. That is what he sent out to the universe. And, without disclosing who he is, he's a renowned figure. And I would dare to say that most of the things that he manifests has come true because that's how he lives his life. So I use that same format in creating this. And I feel that if you apply it, you will soon feel that happiness, that feeling of, oh my God, it finally happened. Milk the feeling. Don't be too fast to just go ahead and say it's over. No, milk the feeling. And then let it go. Just put it aside. Enjoy that feeling and go back to that feeling every once in a while. Things get in the way, whatever. Remind yourself, the laughter that followed, everything that followed, whatever. Just that is what the universe wants to receive from you. Everything that we are looking to receive from it. Please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button below and put any of comments regarding this or any other video in the space provided. I will do my best to answer each and every one of them in a timely fashion. Remind yourself that Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Danny, myself, we are all here to assist you in anything that you may need regarding getting your ex back, implementing strategies, creating an accountability letter, many things that perhaps we don't see as necessary, yet when we dive into them, we realize that they have a tremendous ability to change the dynamics of where we are to eventually get our goals of reaching our exes and having them come back to the relationship. I invite you once again to a one-on-one session with me. We can script, we can visualize, we can text, we can email ourselves, we can voicemail, we can be creative. One of the most important aspects of the law of attraction is let's not take it too seriously. Have fun with it. The universe loves also when we are sending this type of vibration. They're all positive vibrations. Until next time, I'm here. I'm Coach Abby.